We're gonna kick off the 4th of July with a great summertime dish. This is an all-time classic, a favorite. My grandmother used to make this. We're gonna make some Watergate salad. This is super easy, it's so simple. Let's go ahead and throw this together. You'll need a can of crushed pineapples. This is a 20-ounce can. Go ahead and pour that into your bowl, juice and all. Now we're gonna add some pistachio pudding. This is 3.4 ounces. Mix that really well, and it's gonna look nice and green. You're gonna wanna add 2 cups of mini marshmallows. You'll need 1 cup of pecans crushed, and I like to crush them in my little bullet here. Add those pecans. Now the final ingredient, 1 8-ounce container of whipped cream. Go ahead and give it a stir. We're going to let this chill for a couple of hours and it's ready to serve. I'm here to tell y'all this is good. Y'all be good.